Good morning to all. Today we are going to see the topic of case control and cohort study as its difference. So, the difference between case control and cohort study. As you all know, both of these studies are the type of observational analytical study where case control study proceeds from effect to cause and cohort study proceeds from cause to effect. As you all know that in case control study is a retrospective type of study, and that's why effect, that is nothing but cases suffering from specific disease, are taken for finding possible cause of disease. So it goes from effect to cause, while in cohort study it is exactly opposite. It is prospective type of study, and that's why effect, that is nothing but disease has not yet occurred but suspected known cause is followed in exposed people, and from that follow up is done till the disease occurs. So it goes from cause to effect. Second important thing, in case control study it starts with a disease, while in cohort study it starts with the exposure to the risk factor or cause. Like in cirrhosis of liver, patients in case control study is to find out cause is alcohol or not, while in cohort study alcoholic patients were observed for number of years that it causes cirrhosis of liver or not. In case control study is the commonest approach for understanding of disease and its cause. Actually, it is the first approach for epidemiological study as well as for exploratory study. While in cohort study, which is being used for testing accurate hypothesis after case control study, so it is the second approach. In case control study, we have to find out that suspected cause like alcohol is more frequent cause of cirrhosis, while in cohort study to find out disease occurs more frequently in exposed people, like how much patient of alcoholic develop the cirrhosis later on in their life. Case control study requires a few number of people for completing the study, while in cohort study it requires large number of population. In case control study gives the result in short number of time, which is quickly, so that case control study is a time saving, while in cohort study it requires longer time, and that's why the results are being delayed. Case control study is also suitable for rare type of diseases as well as the chronic diseases like diabetes, ischemic heart disease and others, while in cohort study it cannot be done when diseases are being of rare in nature. Case control study is useful for estimation of relative risk or odds ratio. That means there is more chances of bias and cannot establish cause and effect relationship as good as what you see in a cohort study. While in cohort study will give you incidence rate, that is how many new cases are being developed, while along with that relative risk, that is percentage or chances of getting that disease, and attributable risk, that is how much of the trait would be prevented where it is removed from the population. Case control study will not give information about disease other than that under study, while in cohort study you are going to get an information more than that of one single disease or variable. Case control study is relatively inexpensive and cheap, while cohort study is expensive. Thank you.